Bengaluru-based space tech startup EtherealX has built an indigenous LOX turbopump assembly. It's Runtime, your daily 24-hour Indian tech recap, and this additively manufactured turbopump is going to be tested in Base 001. This is their 700,000 square foot semi-cryogenic engine test facility, and this turbopump is going to be part of their Stallion. This is EtherealX's engine, which will produce 925 kilonewtons of thrust for their upcoming fully reusable medium lift launch vehicle, the Razor Crest Mark I. And also, earlier this year, EtherealX showed off Pegasus 2.0, the largest 3D printed thrust chamber assembly in India. And a thrust chamber, by the way, is essentially the heart of a rocket engine. It's where the fuel and oxidizer burn and create the hot gas that produces thrust to send the rocket up into space. All right, next up, Bhairav Robotics has unveiled a render of Rishabh, a combat ATV. And this is an unmanned ground platform engineered to support the Indian Armed Forces in a multitude of ways. So the ATV can be loaded up with weaponry for combat, it can be used to transport injured or fallen soldiers, and it can be used to move supplies and equipment. Oh, and this is actually moved now beyond the render phase too. You can see what appears to be a prototype of this ATV, which is very exciting to see. Now, Bhairav Robotics is based in Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh, and they make all kinds of incredible stuff like Shvana. This is India's first armed quadrupedal robot with wheels. Although the version that I'm showing you right now on screen is from February of 2024, before they added the wheels. But this robot has vision-based detection and recognition systems, as well as industrial grade audio perception capabilities so that it can measure, isolate, and identify various types of sounds. Now, Bhairav is also working on something called quasi-direct drives, or QDDs, and these are powerful drive units that sit inside of robotic actuators to enable a robot to move its joints. And usually these are imported from outside of India, but Bhairav Robotics is designing, developing, and manufacturing these in India. All right, next up, underwater ROV company Planys Technologies has raised 100 crore rupees, and this is a company that was founded in 2015 by 2 IIT Madras graduates and 2 IIT Madras professors, and over the last decade, they've done more than 450 underwater asset inspections around the world for 120 clients, and largely in industries like maritime shipping, oil and gas, dams and bridges, and underwater power. Also, Planys currently has 21 granted patents and 15 filed patents, and they're going to be using part of this fresh capital to double down on their defense arm, Planys Arc, where they're going to be building underwater maritime warfare technology. All right, that is all of the Indian tech news that I have for you all today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.